Hey guys, so obviously you guys have realized by now that I'm not there today. I totally forgot to mention this yesterday in class, but I am actually sitting in on interviews for the social studies position that has opened up since Mr. Danielson is leaving. So that is where I am this morning, but you guys are still going to go on with class. We're just going to move that silent discussion that I talked about to Wednesday when I'm actually there. But today you guys are going to be doing the assignment here called Genocide Case Study Jigsaw. This is going to start our genocide memorial project, but first you guys need to learn about the different genocides that we are going to be covering. So Mr. Mullen should have the sheet with your groups on it and where you should be sitting in the room. So he should place you in those groups, and you guys need to make sure you're sitting at the correct table number so that your whole group is together because you will be working on this together. So hopefully by now you guys have this assignment opened. If not, you need to get it open. And essentially what you guys are going to be doing is filling out the graphic organizer here. It looks like this. Now obviously it's not turned the correct way, but if you open it up with Cami, it will allow you to rotate the document. So we are going to see here where we can rotate. Oh, I don't know what that just did. Let's see here. Share, print, see. Rotate clockwise. So all I did was go to the three little dashes, do rotate clockwise, and now the graphic organizer is facing the correct way. So you can see like these are our 6 genocides that we are going to be studying over the next week. And so for say if you are the Armenia genocide, you are going to be researching events leading to the genocide, events that happened during the genocide, the way that it was committed, how the United States responded to this genocide, and then the international community response to the genocide. Same thing with each one of these. You are only focusing on your row. You do not have to worry about the other ones. The other ones will get filled in at the end of this project when everyone presents on their genocide that they did some further research on. So where do you get all this information? If you go back to the assignment and you look at this case studies document, you can see this is where all the information is. I know this looks like a very large document, but it's everyone's information. So just make sure you're looking for yours. If you kind of scroll down, you can see the first one is the Armenian genocide, and you can see it's the black heading here. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you can see where the next one changes as well too. There's the Holocaust, and then after the Holocaust, you have the Cambodian genocide, and it just goes through the other ones like the Sudanese genocide, the Bosnian genocide, and also the Rwandan genocide. So you'll have those as you go through. That's where you get your information. So you will have to spend some time reading because you are going to be learning about a topic that is new. But these are all genocides that have happened in the 20th and the 21st century. Some of them have continued on to the 21st century. But you guys are filling out this graphic organizer as you go through. So your goal today and what needs to happen, what has to happen for tomorrow, is that you get your part of the graphic organizer done. Now, this does not have to be turned in, but your part has to be researched and done because tomorrow I'm going to expect you to know that information over your assigned genocide because we're going to move on to the project. Now, since there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 things for you guys to answer, I don't anticipate this taking the entire time. So I will also have posted this prep activity here. And you can see it's just this document here, and you as a group are going to be kind of reading through this together. You can read it on your own, and then you guys will need to start talking about planning your memorial because part of this upcoming project is going to be creating a memorial. It just has you consider like what should be remembered about this genocide, what is the message of your memorial going to be. It talks about what memorials are and why they're created and things like that. So if anything, I'd like for you guys, if you do have time to read through this document here, just this first page. If you do have time, then you can talk about this piece, but if not, we'll work on that on Wednesday. So you should have enough to do for the entire hour. Remember, you are doing the case study Jigsaw first, filling out this graphic organizer here. Remember, once again, that's the 3 dots up here. Rotate clockwise gets that in the right position. And then you have your memorial prep activity to look at after. So that's what you guys are working on today. Tomorrow we'll do a silent discussion just to kind of review some topics about genocide and the Holocaust and things like that. And then I will introduce our project officially tomorrow. So you guys are just doing some research today. If you have any questions, you can email me. I will be in interviews for the morning, but I'll try to get back to you if I can. Have a good day.